Drones have come a long way, and DJI has consistently led the charge in bringing cutting-edge technology to the skies. Now, with the upcoming DJI Mini 5 Pro, expectations are through the roof. From enhanced flight performance to pro-level camera capabilities, this drone is shaping up to be a must-have for hobbyists and professionals alike. Could this be the ultimate compact drone for 2025? Let's break down everything you need to know about its design, features, flight experience, and more. A compact drone with big power. The DJI Mini 5 Pro continues DJI's tradition of making drones lightweight yet feature-packed. Weighing under 249 g, it remains exempt from heavy drone regulations in most regions, making it one of the most accessible yet powerful drones on the market. It also keeps its foldable and streamlined design, making it ultra-portable for creators, travelers, and drone enthusiasts. But this time, DJI has enhanced aerodynamics, reducing wind resistance for better stability and longer flights. Key design highlights. White heavy checkmark ultra-lightweight. No complex drone laws to worry about. White heavy checkmark foldable and compact. Perfect for travel and portability. White heavy checkmark aerodynamic improvements. More efficient flight and battery use. Upgraded camera. Professional quality in a mini drone. A drone is only as good as its camera, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro does not disappoint. Featuring a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it can capture stunning 4K 60 frames per second video and 20MP photos with a wide dynamic range. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or fast-moving action shots, this drone delivers crisp, detailed footage. With an improved HDR system, colors appear more natural and vibrant, making your shots look like they were taken on a professional-grade camera. Camera features at a glance. Camera with flash 4K Ultra HD video at 60 fps. Super smooth cinematic footage. Camera with flash 20MP stills. Sharp, high-resolution images. Camera with flash HDR support. Improved colors and contrast. Camera with flash 3-axis gimbal. Rock-solid stabilization for shake-free shots. DJI also adds exciting creative features like movie camera hyperlapse and time-lapse, stunning motion sequences. Movie camera panorama mode. Capture breathtaking wide shots. If you're a content creator, travel vlogger, or aerial photography enthusiast, this camera upgrade is a game-changer. Flight performance. Stronger, smarter, faster. Despite its compact size, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is no slouch when it comes to flight performance. With an extended battery life of up to 37 minutes on a standard battery and 47 minutes with an extended one, this drone can stay in the air longer than its predecessors. In sport mode, it can reach speeds of up to 36 miles per hour, making it ideal for high-speed chases, action shots, and racing scenarios. Key flight enhancements. Rocket up to 37-minute flight time, 47 minutes with an extended battery. Rocket max speed, 36 miles per hour. Great for dynamic shots. Rocket improved GPS and stability. Reliable positioning for smooth flying. Whether you're an amateur pilot or a drone expert, DJI has designed this drone to be easy to fly, while still offering advanced control options for professionals. Obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence. Safety is a top priority for drone pilots, and DJI is bringing advanced obstacle avoidance to the Mini series for the first time. With front, rear, and downward sensors, the Mini 5 Pro can detect and avoid obstacles automatically, making it one of the safest mini drones available. Small Blue Diamond real-time object detection to avoid crashes. Small Blue Diamond return to home, RTH, feature in case of low battery or lost connection. Small Blue Diamond geofencing for flight safety in restricted areas. This upgrade makes the Mini 5 Pro perfect for beginners, as it greatly reduces the risk of crashes. Intelligent flight modes. Next-level drone cinematics. DJI has packed the Mini 5 Pro with smart features that make cinematic filming easier than ever. Sparkle's Focus Track. Automatically follows and keeps subjects in focus. Sparkle's Quick Shots. Preset flight patterns for effortless, professional-looking footage. Sparkle's Master Shots. Automatically adjusts angles and camera movement for dynamic sequences. Sparkle's Waypoint Flight. Set pre-planned flight paths for precise, repeatable shots. These modes let anyone capture Hollywood-style drone shots without years of experience. Battery and charging. More airtime, less downtime. Battery life is one of the biggest improvements in the Mini 5 Pro. With its 37-minute standard flight time, or 47 minutes with an extended battery, pilots can fly longer without frequent charging. Battery fast charging support. Get back in the air quicker. Battery intelligent flight battery. Maximizes power efficiency. Battery extended battery option. Pushes flight time to nearly 50 minutes. For content creators, surveyors, and drone enthusiasts, this means less waiting and more flying. Advanced autofocus. Never miss a moment. The Mini 5 Pro features dual-pixel autofocus, allowing it to track fast-moving objects with extreme precision. Whether it's wildlife, vehicles, or people, this feature ensures that your footage is always sharp. This makes it an ideal drone for those capturing action-packed shots, sports events, or cinematic sequences. Controller and connectivity. Ultra-smooth experience. DJI has designed the Mini 5 Pro to work with its RC, RC2, and RC Pro controllers, giving users a seamless and precise flying experience. Lightbulb OcuSync 4.0 technology provides a strong, stable connection up to 12 kilometers. Lightbulb low-latency live feed. Crystal clear FPV experience. Lightbulb customizable controls. Make flying intuitive and effortless. For those serious about aerial cinematography, this advanced controller support ensures a fluid, immersive flying experience. Price and value. Is the DJI Mini 5 Pro worth it? DJI continues to offer premium drone features at competitive prices. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to be priced strategically, making it an excellent value for both hobbyists and professionals. With its impressive camera, intelligent flight modes, extended battery, and advanced safety features, it offers more than any other mini drone on the market. Money bag best for. Heavy checkmark, content creators and vloggers. Heavy checkmark, travel and adventure enthusiasts. Heavy checkmark, aerial photographers and filmmakers. If you've been waiting for the perfect mini drone, the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just be it. Final thoughts, a must-have mini drone? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone releases of 2025. With major upgrades in camera quality, flight time, safety, and smart features, it blends professional power with portability like never before. Would you consider buying the DJI Mini 5 Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to Technology Review for the latest tech updates, reviews, and leaks.